Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Oh my God, cutting down trees not only requires protective gear, but also skillful techniques. Otherwise, after the tree falls, you will have to wear a hard hat and sit down to repair the house. Wow, the sight of lightning striking a tree is both terrifying and breathtaking. It is also a reminder of the power of nature that we cannot control. It's unbelievable. This is more like a circus act than a tree sawing. The tree cutter said, "Don't worry, this tree will fall into the vacant lot." But 2 minutes later, the whole neighborhood ran out only to see the nearby house welcoming the tree like an honored guest. Uh-oh, everything is perfect. This must be his day job.
When they don't pay for the job, we love dropping trees on houses.
I can't believe they pulled a tree straight into my house. They must be renovating their house, right?
Oh, shit.
Yes, from wanting to clear trees to save space, they have successfully moved to the opening their wallets to renovate their home category. Oh no, this guy must have just graduated from an online speed tree cutting course, and that house was his first real test, unfortunately for the homeowner. Be more careful next time, young man. If this continues, I'll probably have to change my job to become a construction worker to complete my home repair kit. On the bright side, after this situation, the house will have a new look. They should mobilize more people or use specialized machinery, because doing it this way can easily turn from cutting down trees to cutting down houses. What an expensive lesson. Perfect. He must have 10 years of experience in the profession. Wow, using a car to pull down a tree is a bold idea. Luckily for him, the tree threw a punch that missed its target.
It's coming.
Oh no, I hope the owner of the car has insurance on it.
Achtung, Baum fällt! Scheiße.
The tree must have thought the car was a tractor, so it crashed down on it as if asking for help. Hey, get me out of here. Next time, remember to use a longer rope. With a rope this short, the car will be gone before the tree can fall to the ground.
Caiu lá na casa, ó.
Wow. He must have 10 years of experience watching tree cutting videos on YouTube and never practiced. The tree fell spectacularly, like the final act of a circus show, only without the fireworks and applause. Oh my God. Two guys worked hard to cut down a tree with the strong belief that they were experts. And the result? The tree fell straight into the house, turning the house into an unwilling victim. What a mismatched teamwork. Wow, looking at that scene makes me feel like I'm watching dominoes.
Oh, fuck! Holy shit! Me too! Holy shit!
The tree fell majestically, but unfortunately it did not choose an open space but decided to visit the car. What a fall full of destructive inspiration. A group of people use their strength to pull down a tree with precision down to the centimeter, making everyone exclaim, "This is truly the art of cutting down trees without missing a beat." Amazing, just one tree fell and the whole row of trees fell down like a domino effect. It was a chain effect that made everyone gasp in amazement. The tree not only fell, but also rolled many times, as if trying to perform acrobatic moves to impress the surrounding audience. Using a cart to pull the tree, but the tree still stood tall, while the cart was sacrificed. It seemed to say, "Okay, I give up. You guys take care of it yourselves." If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.